done a video in a long time. I've been busy with school. Thank you for all the support. We're over 1,000 subscribers. And in this game, we only have 8 cars left to collect. Since you guys really like this game, I figured I would start playing it. And there's a new map. And I bought the most expensive car in the game, which I'll want to show you. Just want to drive in this one. Which, as usual, the loud noise that has never went away. Hey, I just realized I clapped while driving. Now that creates an accident, I guess. I never knew you could do that. I never knew you could drive on the side of the rocks. I never knew that. Now I'm stuck in a land of houses. Never mind. So there was some new stuff in the dealership that you had to do, so I completed my dealership for a second time. And I've driven in circles, I think. Is there anything new here? Wait a minute. There is everything new. This is a new map. I like it how they added the snow because it still is winter, so yeah. Is this another race? I'm not gonna do it because it's kind of boring because it's just me. How do you race with just yourself? You won and you lost. So do you get like a trophy that's like cut in half? I don't know. I'm just imagining like you get an award from the game, but it's like half a trophy because you raced with yourself, so you lost and you lose. I guess it's game over. We've driven in this one for a little bit. Let's see if we can get another one. And we got all the ice up new cars. Let's find a new car that we haven't used yet. I don't think we've used this one, so we're gonna drive this. And we're off to the road again. Oh, that sound is very weird. I do not like that sound. It sounds like someone was driving as fast as they could, and someone catched up and was just covering the exhaust and touching it over and over. And we're going back to my dealership because I wanted to show you some of the new rare cars I got. Whee! Go car read. Park sensibly. Yes, there you go. Yes, car, you did it. So this is the downstairs of it. I really like this car, but it's not my favorite. I'm just gonna walk around. This table right here is new. This wasn't in here before. Now this is my favorite car. This, I'm pretty sure, is the most expensive car in the game. I love this beast. It is my favorite. Hey look, does anyone realize it's the color of my Tycoon? And it's like the color of my background when I start the video? Maybe that's why it is. I'm gonna take the elevator. Never mind. And no, and there's not new, I'm pretty sure. That's the kitchen. Why do you need a kitchen in a dealership? Did the customers get hungry? I wonder. Also really like that one. I wonder which one is my second favorite. I gotta come up with that. So I put all of my like rarest cars in here, the ones that I really like. This table right, that office is new. I upgraded in here a little bit. Did anyone notice that when I was right here, I walked into the glass wall because I thought it was a door? Yeah. Now guys, we are going to drive the fastest car in the game. Well, I mean the most expensive car in the game. See how it does. Let's do this. Yes. Yes. No. How did I land that? Tell me how the front of my car is not scratched. Wow. This car is made for war. And I'm flipped over. Like a turtle on its back. Okay. We need to respawn it. Wait a minute, if I just respawned it and it got back up, why couldn't it have just got back up a second ago? Now this is full speed. Ah, I'm going off the road. This is so fast. This is so fast. This is so fast. Oh no, no. Who planned to put a tree there? Who would plan that? Hey, look, we're just driving past my dealership. I crashed into a building. I feel like the buildings here are made out of steel. I don't know how I didn't break through that. I can wall ride? I can wall ride for a couple seconds with this thing. Not for long though. This map is so much bigger. I'm used to the old one. I don't know what to do. And where I am. Okay, maybe not. We're going backward. We're checking out what this ramp could be. We're gonna check out what the ramp could be, and it's a mystery. It's a very long hill. We're gonna be on the top of the map, don't you worry. Just a few runs around it and almost falling off the side of the edge, going through tunnels. Maybe we're going down it because we're going down right now. This car is not made for tunnels because it's way too fast. Where do we go? We're already in this spot. Let's go. Oh, no matter what way I went, it would have led to the same place. And we're out. Guys, that's the end of this video. Peace.